everyone, and welcome to my channel. And
hello, hi everyone.
I finally met up with Romina. So I arrived yesterday in London, and today is going to be a shopping day. So we're currently on Bond Street, and realistically, we're also going to go to Selfridges later on, I guess.
That's the plan, hopefully.
Yes. We also went to popmart. And
yeah, but nothing bad. I got Lesley something.
Yeah, I got a version 3 Labubu, which I'm going to unpack later when we sit down and have coffee probably. And yeah, what's the plan? I think we're going to go to Celine. Just going to roam around.
Gucci, Chanel, we try our luck.
Oh yeah, I haven't been to Chanel in ages, so yeah.
Was the last time with me and Hannah?
In London, yes.
Okay.
In Germany, it's been a while. It's definitely been a while, so I guess let's go. It's very tiny, but
I love it. You guys know I love the chili. I've worn mine to death last year, so.
yeah, and it's like with summer coming up, maybe not against the blazer, but your dress was perfect with color. Oh my god, look at this one. It's like for AirPods. Isn't that adorable? I'm gonna try to find out the price online. This is so cute. I love the Celine Triomphe logo. This is a little less structured, I feel like. That one's cute. So we're inside Chloé. I don't think I've ever been inside a Chloé apart from outlet villages, but let's see, it's very spring, summer situation. Look at this. It's actually quite heavy. It does have a magnetic closure, so that helps. This is cute. On the smaller side, but obviously not with the pink blazer, but you get the idea. Very summery. Okay, hopefully the audio is alright because I don't have my mic on, but where's Romina? There's Romina! Let's go inside Gucci. Oh, you fell in love with the coat?
No.
Apparently.
No?
Okay.
No.
Let's see if we fell in love with some bags. Talk about a show-stopping piece. Obviously it's exotic, so if you're not a fan of that, bear with, but such a fun colorway. It's like an ombre. So cute. It's the Diana, right? I'm not overly familiar with Gucci. And some more top handbags. Very vibrant colors. Oh wow, so this is the summer area. Look at all the raffia bags. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of massive logos. I can get behind that one because it's not overly obvious. The Mamon's still going strong-ish, maybe. Alright, so we did go to Gucci. It was fairly empty, but they didn't mind us filming, which is always appreciated. And I don't know how it's gonna go with Chanel though, so...
Well, that will actually tell us a lot about the current time. So
yeah, if they don't mind us filming,
it's bad.
It's looking bad for the sales, so yeah, fingers crossed and let's go. Yeah,
the
it's
strap
really
back.
chunky though,
I
so
think
it
it's
definitely
much
fits a
better.
lot.
So, yeah.
Oh, so
I know.
cute.
Look at this one.
Whatever the red dot on the price tag means, but there's that. Okay, so really interesting. We were able to film a little bit inside Chanel, and then we were told off, but like in a very nice way. And he said no video, but you can definitely like take pictures and everything, which is definitely a step up. Maybe that says something about how well their sales are going, or how not well their sales are going. And for now, we're currently at Louis Vuitton on the first floor. Down there is like most of the bags and like home goods and stuff. That's the fine jewelry section, and on top here is like ready to wear and a couple more bags. Canvas pieces actually. Not a ready-to-wear kind of girly, but always fun to look. Those are the sneakerinas, right? Let me know what you think. And while you're down there, also let me know which of the bags that I showed you was your favorite. Yeah, not a fan of these sneakerinas, but to each their own. And also not a fan of this bag. I don't even know what it's called, but I mean, I love the luggage tag. That's so cute, but the bag itself, it's on the low-key side if it was full luggage tag, but looks like a standard, like non-branded bag. Actually, one thing I find really interesting is the fact that they started displaying like standard canvas pieces again. Wasn't there like a time where people said they hardly saw any canvas pieces in the Louis Vuitton boutiques? Apparently, they're going for the aspirational customer again. So quick pit stop at Ralph Lauren on Bond Street, which is a go-to. It's cliche, but their coffee is nice in my opinion at least. So I'm gonna get an iced Americano, and I actually don't know what Romina picked. She's already like hunting down for a place to sit outside because it's so lovely outside. Not as hot as yesterday, which is a plus. So yeah, and then I'm gonna unbox my version 3 Labubu, which I'm so excited about. But yeah, hope you're enjoying it so far. If you do, consider subscribing, and obviously also subscribe to Romina, but chances are you already do. But if you don't, she's going to be linked below. Yeah, let's grab some coffee. All right, so I think it's time for an unboxing. The bag doesn't tell you much, but the box will.
Good that I did this, guys, because I didn't know if they actually they were supposed to restock today.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
but or maybe we were too late. I don't know.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, but this was a just in case.
I'm working on it, guys. I'm getting that. There we go. ASMR.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Romina already knows which color she got me, but I don't know yet, so
I hope you're gonna like them.
I'm sure. I think I love all of them, to be honest.
I still need the secret, so you know, fingers crossed for my next. I'm on the secret hunt.
Yeah, like alert set for the popmart website, but no chance. No chance.
I think it crashed in every country.
Yeah, the release day was crazy.
So many people told me, you know. And then, did you hear the StockX scandal?
Someone mentioned it. I don't know who.
I don't know if you saw it, guys. Like the day after the release, 8,000 boxes of StockX Big Into Energy were already sold. And some people said that StockX actually had the bots that crashed all the websites worldwide, and that's how they got so many boxes.
It was impossible to even like access the website. It was crazy.
And they sold it on for $400 per box. So 4 times the
crazy. Anyway, so I somewhat got in. I mean, the box never survived, so it's fine.
She got a sneak peek.
Okay, a little bit of tape left.
Yeah.
Getting there.
Good German Teesappel.
Oh yeah, that holds up like nothing else. You shouldn't have. Now I feel really guilty because you also treated me to my iced coffee, so we do have to grab something to eat or something later down the line.
And I wanted to surprise her.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh,
I thought they are quite nice summer colors.
Oh, so sweet.
And actually, they both work with your jacket today.
Yeah. Oh, I love that.
It's so cute.
Oh.
And they have glitter in the eyes.
Really?
It's so nice.
I mean, you guys, you already saw a couple of those, so let me... I mean, we're filming on 2 devices. Oh, look at it.
And let me show you guys, actually. So this is Leslie's camera.
Yeah, it's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I think.
And
oh, look at that.
And honestly, look at the color of her jacket and then those two.
Aww.
Match made in heaven.
Who looks the doggiest? Aww. Thank you. Yes, perfect.
At least you're gonna go home with some of the Big Into Energy Labubu.
It's gonna be a struggle to not have my bestie talk me into giving her one of them because she didn't manage to get a version 3 either, but those are mine. Sorry about that. And we made it to Selfridges, and actually this is like the corner, I think it's the corner shop, and they do have like, installations like changing. Like when I lived in London, they did have like a Barbie installation, like pop-up going on, and currently they have like a Celine pop-up, so really excited, very like spring summery. Say hi. Hi. Oh, by the way, I don't think, I didn't properly introduce you, but chances are you know who Romina is. Definitely check out her channel, and definitely consider subscribing to her. Her vlogs are amazing. So glad we managed to meet up.
It's been a while since you were here.
It has.
But I still want to convince her to move to London, so...
Yeah, watch the space. Oh wow, look at this one. Oh, it's super heavy though. Very substantial. One-handed. There we go. Oh, wow, like all leather on the inside. Gives me like spring-summer vibes. I think the entire pop-up is very spring-summer themed. Oh, I think I fell in love. You did talk about that as well already. Yeah, it's beautiful.
It has like lace, flowers.
Beautiful. I'd be worried about color transfer, especially because the white and beige color rubbing against your jeans. I mean, I don't wear jeans, but I do wear leggings and other stuff that might color transfer onto the bag. But it's beautiful, like a light blue. perfect for spring summer. Let's check the price. There we go, it's the price in British pounds, and I'm gonna include the price if I find it online in USD and euros on the screen. They have a tiny little Strathberry section. Obviously, inside Burlington Arcade, they actually have like a physical boutique of Strathberry, and realistically somewhere else as well. But what do we think about Strathberry? I do own a twilly from Strathberry, like Silk One, which I purchased in London a couple of years ago. It's actually not a London twilly, it's a New York City Skyline twilly, which ironic much? Yes. But what do we think about Strathberry? And they also have a Lorna section. And the Queen herself loved these kind of bags, so they're very special. And I hardly ever see anyone carrying those, especially not in Germany, but also like in London. It's not really that much of a coveted handbag brand, which is kind of a shame. But yeah, look at this one, tons of different sizes. It's like a box kind of leather, right? I mean, it's prone to scratches. You just have to be a little more careful, or just look at the bags as what they're meant to be, is to be used and not like set pretty on a shelf. So if they have beauty marks, it's just like memories encapsulated in a bag, if that makes sense. Let me know your thoughts. Okay, so what are your thoughts on Etro? I love this like closure mechanism because it's different. Like these days, sometimes I feel like every single bag looks kind of the same, but this is different. I mean, okay, I don't know about like the wear and tear on the leather because it like folds down, but the mechanism is nice. Love the leather. Not so much my color, but I'm sure they have it in different colors as well. First time getting bubble tea, can you believe it?
I had to make her try it because you guys know it's my go-to summer drink.
It's so good. Might not be my last one. It's like mango and something passion fruit, I guess, and strawberry boba. So
I mean, the addiction is real.
Another addiction, great. All right, so I think we saw a lot.
We did.
We did fall in love with a lot.
Yes.
Didn't purchase anything though, but that doesn't stop us from dreaming. So
of course, and I just got this one. It's
yeah,
new.
true.
It's like
look
a
at the
week
skull
old.
panda.
Love my sky panda.
Matchy. So what was your favorite bag?
I think still the teeny tiny little nano Celine.
Yeah,
I don't know why something is like my heart just melting when I see that bag.
Very summery. Yeah. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Also, definitely consider subscribing to Romina's channel. And now we're gonna have dinner. So
yes,
really
definitely.
excited.
Let's go. Some Italian food.
Yes. Catch you later.
Guys.